Hey guys, how's it going? This year's National Hosta of the Year is Autumn Frost by Proven Winners. Now this is a shade-loving perennial, so if you have struggled with the shadier areas in your garden, you should definitely give this variety a try. It has very heavily variegated foliage that's just so bold and striking, and it just shows up wonderfully in the darker areas of your garden, and it thrives in that type of growing situation as well. They're a zone 3 through 9, which makes them extremely versatile and easier to grow for those of you who live in a colder climate. And they only grow about 12 to 16 inches tall and wide, so they're really easy to place in your garden. They're great to grow around the edges of flower beds. They're great in containers because they don't need a lot of space to grow, and you can just tuck them in here and there wherever it looks right. They also produce blooms about midsummer that are lavender colored and attract hummingbirds. So I've grown this variety in several different areas in my garden, and I've just loved it. I planted a huge drift of it around the edge of one of my flower beds and backplanted it with coleus, and it was a very striking display in my garden. I've also put it alone by itself in containers, and it was just beautiful, and it was very low maintenance. I only had to water it every few days, which was wonderful. So I just think it's such a versatile and wonderful plant. And again, if you have a shady spot in your garden and you're just not sure what to try, you should definitely give Autumn Frost Hosta a shot. Visit your local Prairie Gardens in Jeffrey Allen's location for all of your Proven Winners needs.